Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you. Likewise, Vidit, it's such a treat to have you with us. Thank you so much for joining in. And in fact, we just saw your interview with Ritik. It was awesome. Really nice.
I quickly went and changed my t-shirt.
You would look good anyways.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is Neeraj there?
Yes,
Hello?
yes. Hi, Manat.
Okay.
Hi, Vidyut.
Oh, नीरज सतीजा की पा के आए तुसी?
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਭਾਜੀ?
लाल टी-शर्ट पा के।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਬਦਲੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਅਸੀਂ
ਭਾਈ।
ਬਦਲ ਲਈਏ। Thank you, Badi. Thank you very much. Thank you, Vidyut, for joining
Can we
in.
have their snapshots? Can we have their snapshots, Ashni? Could we have their snapshots, please?
Sure.
And we begin in 1 minute.
बाप रे, तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Hi girls. Anamika, hi. Hi Reena.
Wow.
I think I'm stuck.
Reena, let's begin.
Lights, camera, action. And action, and action. Star debut of the year. Jackie Chan International Film Week. Most desirable, best body, sexiest man alive. PETA's India's hottest vegetarian celebrity. We all know Vidyut Jamwal. He's got trees crawling out of his shirt sleeves, possesses a healthy disregard for gravity, and usually has things exploding behind him. But what we don't know is his love for gulab jamuns, bel puri, puri. And still, he fits into the definition of India's next action hero without a hitch. Known for not to mince words and speak without a censor, Vidyut is certain about what makes him stand apart from his peers. He says it's not enough to have 8-pack abs and strong shoulders. You have to be master of the marma. Marma, a body's vital areas. Aptly find there is time for everything. In his words, apna time aayega. Or ab mera time khatam ho raha hai. Before I invite our moderator, few lines from his new movie, Khuda Hafiz, that will leave us all with our distinguished guest for the evening. Rakhmo se maram tak, juda se milan tak, doli mein bitha ke dafan tak, tere sang hu aakhri kadam tak. Welcome, Vidyut.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The moderator for the evening is our own leader, Manat Kothari. A woman of steel, an inspiring leader, a passionate social worker, a wonderful person who walks the talk and leads with the heart of gold, and an open mind that identifies the true essence of empowerment for women. Over to you, Manat.
Thank you so much for this lovely introduction. That was our Joint Secretary, Reena Kaushal. Powerful opening for the most Herculean man on this planet, Vidyut Jamwal. One of the 10 men, and only one from India, that you don't mess with. Thank you so much for joining in, despite of your very tight schedule. And we know that you're just coming from an interview with Mr. Hrithik Roshan, and here you are on the roll again with us. We're truly honored by your presence. Before we begin, I'd like to acknowledge the man who arranged this session for us. Very dear friend, common to both of us. He's also the elite sponsor of our event, Mr. Neeraj Satija, Managing Director, Hallmark Pharmaceuticals, a trusted name in the field of allopathy medicines over decades. Especially during these COVID times, they have come up with a lot of immunity booster, which me and my family have been taking for the longest. Thank you so much, Neeraj. Neeraj, would you like to say a couple of lines? And IT, if you could have the spotlight on Neeraj for a moment, please.
Vidyut and me went to the same school, and I've seen him, even in school days, he was the way he is now. I mean, he's graduated in so many other ways, but the memories of Vidyut and our, just like yesterday, we've been studying together, same hostel, same school, and I really lucky to have a friend like him, very dependable. होता है ना जी कि आज बड़े हीरो बन गए तो अपना थोड़ा हवा खराब हो जाती है, इनकी हवा नहीं खराब होती, ये जमीन पे ही रहते हैं और सबके साथ ऐसे ही रहते हैं. So I'm blessed to have a friend like Vidyut. I cherish this friendship, and it's going to go forever. Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you very much for joining in today.
Thank you.
इस मूवी पे you have to say a few lines from your Yara movie, Vidyut. I think we should have a Bollywood moment here. So if you would say a dialogue from your movie Yara, which is one of the cutest movies that I've seen, it will be such a pleasure, Vidyut.
Thank you, Mannat. पहले तो ये बताइए, इन्होंने आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन में बोला a woman of steel. Why not a woman of diamonds or platinum? ये क्या है स्टील? ये men को रहने दो स्टील स्टूल यार. I think
यार आता तो लोहा ही काम है.
ये बात तो सही बोली आपने.
Yeah, so that's, and it's me who's going to be interviewing you, not you. It's got to be the other way around.
I was told it was a conversation with all the prettiest women around, so I thought it was a conversation. Interview है, तो मैं तैयार हूँ.
तैयार हूँ, लेकिन you know what, Vidyut, we have Googled so much about you, and there's nothing on your personal life. Google is all about plethora of achievements that you've had so far. What kind of a person he is, Neeraj, I would love to know. Tough from inside out types, or tough only from outside and softer and emotional person from within?
He's a very genuine kind of a person. वो जो आजकल होते हैं ना जी, वो हीरो बन जाते हैं, बाद में कुछ और होते हैं, वैसे नहीं है. ये मजबूत दिखने में भी हैं और हैं भी अंदर से, और डिपेंडेबल दोस्त है हमेशा के लिए. कभी भी कोई इश्यू होता है, कभी कोई बात होती है, हम एक दूसरे से कर लेते हैं, और मतलब बहुत डिपेंडेबिलिटी है इनकी, और सॉफ्ट भी है. मतलब ही इज अ वेरी इमोशनल काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. जो दोस्त हैं पुराने हैं वही चलते आ रहे हैं, वैसी बातचीत चलती है. बाकी वेरी डिपेंडेबल पर्सन, एंड वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हैव हिम हियर.
Thank you so very much. And also, Google doesn't talk about his love in life. You know, are we going to hear some little good news and some heartbreaking news like very soon, or our ladies in Ludhiana still have some chance with you? There's no mention of your love life. Is there somebody in your life, or are you looking for somebody?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आता हूँ अपने सतीजा पे वापस. हाँ जी, सतीजा जी हाँ, बोलते हैं कि हम दोनों एक ही स्कूल में गए थे, उसके बाद तुम पैसे कमाने चले गए और मैं जिम चला गया. ये डिफरेंस हो गया.
कर रहे हैं. अभी ना मेरे से कोई पूछता है विद्युत तेरा दोस्त है, मैं कहता हूँ विद्युत दोस्त है, एवरेज आउट कर लो, हमारे वजन का एवरेज बना लो, ठीक निकल आएगा रिजल्ट.
सो मन्नत, मैं हर इंटरव्यू में अक्सर अपने एक दोस्त का जिक्र करता हूँ जो पंजाब में रहता है, और वो नीरज जी है. So they ask me about all the achievements that I've had and what gives me a high in life and what makes me happy. And मैं हर इंटरव्यू में ये बोलता हूँ कि मेरा एक दोस्त है जो पंजाब में रहता है, और वो रात को 2, 2:30 या 3 बजे मुझे फोन करता है, महीने में एक बार या 20 दिन में एक बार.
We've been witness to it.
हाँ, you've been witness to it, right? And मेरी हालत खस्ता होती है, मेरी आंखें बंद होती है, बाल इधर से उधर होते हैं, मगर नीरज सतीजा वीडियो कॉल करता है, and expecting me to pick it up, and me being नीरज brother, मैं हर रात को फोन उठाता हूँ और ये सबसे बात करते हैं, एले एदनल गाल कर यार. हाँ, और मैं हर इंटरव्यू में बोलता हूँ कि फॉर मी इट इज द बेस्ट मोमेंट, बिकॉज द फ्रेंड, देयर आर वेरी फ्यू फ्रेंड्स जो ना जिनमें हिम्मत होती है कि जो मर्जी कर लेंगे यार हम. So I mentioned this, so Sitija yaar, thank you for all those late night drunk calls. शराब पी के जेड़े तुसी फोन कर दे हो मैनू, they're quite cool.
चलो.
So we are avoiding that love of life वाला question. So
हाँ, love of life, अरे बहुत जरूरी है. Avoid नहीं कर रहा हूँ यार, एक चीज करके. प्रियंका क्या पी रही हैं आप? प्रियंका चोपड़ा? How cool is that?
She's a cute little girl. So, while reading about you, I marveled on the cornucopia of awards, achievements, and the heights you've attained. भाई साहब, अब तो सिर्फ माउंट एवरेस्ट रह गया चढ़ने को. तो when is that happening?
So about my personal life, when I watch interviews of other actors and all of them, and when they say, oh, she's just a friend, और नॉर्मली इंटरव्यूज में आता है कि टेंटेटिवली सीइंग ईच अदर, वो मुझे बहुत खराब लगता है यार. मैं उस स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से आता नहीं हूँ. लाइक सतीजा नोज दैट, सॉरी नीरज नोज दैट, एक्चुअली सतीजा नोज दैट हम लोग यार, वी लाइक टू टेक फुल कंट्रोल ऑफ हूएवर इज इन आवर लाइव्स, एंड दिस आई हैव सीन इन बॉम्बे ओनली. कि बॉम्बे में क्या होता है कि शी इज माई फ्रेंड. ये फ्रेंड का नाम बहुत खराब कर दिया यार. अब तो किसी दोस्त को भी बोल दो मेरी दोस्त है, लोग कहते हैं अरे अफेयर चल रहा है. सो गोइंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, so now that when I start seeing somebody I will be the first one to come out and say it. So till now, I was not seeing anybody.
So we still have chances here, Vidyut. Ludhiana ladies, yes, he's still ready to mingle, right? Single. Great. I have to tell you this, when I started to share your graphics in my groups, ladies group, these ladies were like, dude, is he for real? How do you get those muscles with you? How?
कुछ नहीं जरूरत, किसी लेडी को कोई मसल की जरूरत नहीं है. Please, first of all, if there are men over here, please stop telling their wives that they are fat, blah blah blah. बहुत सुंदर होती हैं यार लड़कियां. जब तक खुश है ना, और जब तक खुश दिख रही हैं, please उनको the weight they have, let them decide what they like or they don't like. No, really, when I talk to, no, when I meet people regarding fitness and they say, oh, you know, nothing. You don't need to lose weight. If you're happy, then you're perfectly fit. This is my belief, and I meet a lot of people. And I know girls who lose so much weight, and they don't look like, they look not good. The freshness should be there. How it is achieved is you test the quotient of how happy you are. It could include, the quotient could include your कि मैं कितना वेट कम करना चाहती हूँ, कितना, वो भी होना चाहिए, मगर वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मुद्दा ना हो. जितने भी लोग आपको मुस्कुराते हुए ज्यादा दिखते हैं ना, आई थिंक वो खुश होते हैं, और जो बहुत मोटे होते हैं ना यार, वो बहुत खुश होते हैं यार. So I personally believe that people should test their fitness on the levels of happiness.
Beautifully said. So you're going to go back to your childhood days. You were born in an army background and stayed in an ashram till you were 13 years old, and later on joined a school in Himachal Pradesh. Please talk about your childhood and some fond memories of Bachpan, if you would care to share it with us here.
How boring. How boring.
No? No?
Seriously, girls, is this the conversation? Google में पढ़ लेना सारे जवाब इसके यार.
अच्छा चलो, we'll go to
केरला में, मैं बताता हूँ ना, मैं केरला के एक छोटे से आश्रम में पला बड़ा हूँ, और उसके बाद मेरे फादर आर्मी में से थे, so I traveled the whole of the country, fortuitous enough to be going to this school in Dakshay, and since then, like, I think I'm the only army kid to be a film actor. I feel very proud of my journey, and it's unbelievable because I didn't ask for so many things in life. I didn't hope for so many things. I just wanted to just keep moving. So yeah.
So you chose to become an actor. Was this choice of career something that you always wanted, or Bollywood just happened?
नहीं, वो Miss India's होती है ना अपनी. I've judged like 3 or 4 contests. नहीं, Gladys नहीं, like I've judged I think 4 Miss India contests, and most of the girls when they win they say, मेरी मम्मी ने फोटो में डाल दी थी. I just didn't even know about it, and I'm like, so for me, I like, obviously, like being an army kid, I never thought of being in the film industry, but I just loved martial arts, and I just believed that what I do is unique, and this is the best platform where you can really like display anything that you have.
And was your family supportive of that decision of yours?
ये कोई शादी का डिसीजन है कि वो सपोर्टिव नहीं होंगे, है उनकी एक अलग उम्मीद होती है, लड़की ऐसी होनी चाहिए, खानदान ये होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे तो जो करना करो यार.
Good. So you've gone through so many phases of life. You've been a model, a villain, a hero, and you've always been a martial art expert. At a very young age, you started your martial arts training called, I'm going to get this name right because it's impressed you, Kalaripath, in the ashram somewhere in Kerala. And it is the mother of all the forms of martial arts, from Kung Fu to Karate. Everything has come out of it. Would you like to share your journey here? Because you spoke too much about it with Hrithik Roshan, and we were like, wow, this is such an amazing form of, martial arts. We'd like to know more about it. Seriously. Ye Google mein nahi milega, so it means a lot if it comes from you.
So I'll come to the point of, let's not call it martial arts. It's about connecting your whole system. Basically, basic 7 systems in the human body are the digestive system, the respiratory system, the muscular system, the skeletal system, the neuromuscular system, the lymphatic system, and visceral system, in simple words. In 7 को अगर आप संयम में ले आएंगे, if they all will be in sync with each other, you can aspire to be the perfect being. इसका मतलब ये है, perfect being क्या है, जो हमेशा एक zone में रहे. आप देखते हैं लोग, I'll talk about actors. When I see these bodybuilders or very fit guys, they always like edgy or angry or anxious or nervous or fearful, right? वो क्यों होता है कि ये लोग खाना बंद कर देते हैं. I don't want to eat carbohydrates. My trainer has told me no carbohydrates. I will have no salt. I will have no sugar. So to cut it short, carbohydrates is the food for the brain. So अगर आप नहीं खाएंगे तो आप चिड़चिड़े रहेंगे. If people, do you agree with me? Like if you've noticed people around you,
Yes, definitely, definitely.
like
Yes.
I see boys who say, like I know actors also, they say that मैंने पानी पीना बंद कर दिया है. पानी कैसे पीना बंद कर सकते हो? चिड़चिड़े हो जाओगे, डिप्रेस्ड हो जाओगे यार. So Calorie Pet talks about these 7 systems, and I started with learning with healing, and so basically healing yourself. एंड ये बहुत कम सिखाया जाता है. जब हम डॉक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं वो आपको, सतीजा जी सुन रहे हैं, आप गोलियां दे देते हैं, लो हाँ 100% ठीक हो जाएगा. आप ठीक नहीं होते हो. इट जस्ट suppresses it. So basically the ability to heal yourself is what we are taught, and I'm fortunate to have been a part of this growing, and I heal myself. I heal a lot of people around me. If anybody has been on the Facebook chats that I did, we had great response of healing. So कई बार डॉक्टर्स को इतना नहीं सुनना चाहिए, वो डरा देते हैं यार. उनको उनमें से एक सिस्टम का पता होता है. अगर आपको बैक है क्या, बोलेंगे सर आपकी L5 डिस्क हर्निएटेड है, बट हो सकता है कि शोल्डर में इम्पिंचमेंट हो या आपकी सर्वाइकल में हो. सो वी कीप फिक्सिंग द बैक, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज समवेयर. सो बेसिकली इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, Calorie Pet sums it all, and you can heal yourself.
So this is Dr. Vidyut speaking.
Do we have a doctor here?
I'm sure we do have a couple of them.
बताओ भाई कोई आओ.
Dr. Vani was there.
Is
Dr. Vani, can we kind of
God.
unmute her? Can we make her a host? Oh, there are already
Listen-
103 people.
Listen, guys, I just want to tell you, Satija, thank you for having me over, dude. I've seen such pretty girls, and I've been watching all the girls. You know how to light up your face. कमाल किया सबने कैमरा. Satija, तूने अपने सर पे लगाई है लाइट, वो
मेरे
सबसे
सिर पे चमक रही है,
और
तेरे
वो
भी
कह
चमक
रहे
रही
हैं,
है.
यार, तुम लड़कियों को देखो वो कहाँ लगाती है.
Vidyut, coach at Siddharth has also joined. Siddharth has also joined.
God bless him, man. Hi, Samira Olak. I saw you previously. I couldn't read your name. Good to see you.
So we have a doctor on
Hi,
board.
Vidyut. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
So Dr. Vani is there. She's a. Can you speak? Can you unmute yourself, Dr. Vani?
Already unmute, Mannat, and hi Vidyut. Nice
Hi.
listening to you, and the holistic approach you have towards fitness is wonderful. I've always believed that. I'm a doctor, but I think healing is all about mind and how you think and how you live and how you generally look at life. So it's not just about medicine. It's not just about putting the wrong right. It is exactly like you have put it. You have to feel good about yourself, and you have to love every moment that you live. And I'm a foodie, so you have to love everything that you eat. So there it is. But I really want to know one thing. You talk about food, you talk about fitness. There's a very important aspect which I feel is a must for everybody, and that is discipline. Right? I want you to really put it across to all of us, because at any stage in life, whether it's a young one here, I'm sure there are a lot of young girls, or somebody who's an oldie like me, and somebody who is right there, spot on at the best time of life, like you are, discipline is something we all need, isn't it? What is your take on it?
Second, I think something went wrong with my phone, guys. Sorry. We got a young girl, Tamanna Kothari here. Hi, Tamanna.
That's my daughter, Vidyut.
Really? Good to see you.
And she's super excited to have you here. And she's going to she's going to ask you a question very soon. So coming back to, would you like to add on something to that discipline thing that Dr. Vani was just speaking about?
Doc, the thing here is that I really, my ideas of discipline is a bit not the way I've heard and I've watched people talk about it. Because my father was in the army, and I've gone through a certain kind of discipline. But that discipline is not कि सुबह 6 बजे उठ जाओ, march past करो. This is what they think कि army का बच्चा है तो फौज में मतलब march past करता होगा. ऐसा होता नहीं है. What we army kids really go through is a lot of discipline of how to treat women, how to respect women. You'll see all the army men open door for you. You could be anywhere. So discipline यार बहुत अलग तरह का होता है, doc. But I want to tell you, for me, my discipline is that I experience is like, if I have decided that I will walk 2 kilometers tomorrow, if I have, uh, it doesn't matter if I wake up at 4 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 10 in the morning. What I do is, my discipline is, if one night before I sleep and I've promised myself that I'll do it, I don't care. I will just do it. So my idea of discipline is, it's not time bound. It has to be finished in that day. The promise you've made to yourself. It's not even like a discipline. It's like, मैंने सोचा है कल मैं 3 ग्लास गन्ने के जूस पीऊंगा, एग्जाम्पल दैट वन. सो अब ऐसा नहीं कि सारे एक ही साथ पी जाऊंगा, बट मैं I'll like once, like I will divide it. So that's my discipline. If you have decided to do something, just do it. Don't keep like discipline, like, yeah.
Get it totally. So, resuming back to our conversation, you have received many prestigious awards, 2 of them from Jackie Chan for your movie Jungly at Jackie Chan International Film Week. Did you have any action hero as a role model who you used to look up to, or someone as your inspiration to get into this form of arts, martial arts? Anybody?
Before I answer that question, we've been joined by Mr. Gopi. Anji Gopi ji, इन्होंने मास्क पहना हुआ है. मैंने बोला ना यार, ये लड़कियों.
You identifying my family.
गोपी जी उतारो मास्क यार, क्या कर रहे हो?
Dad is on mute.
Oh, all right.
I have been inspired by a lot of people, yeah. But you know, like when I'm in Bombay, people ask me who you've been inspired by. Like in reality, not one person. There's not one person that I'm like, अरे ऐसा बनना है. मतलब वो वाली क्वालिटीज ले लेनी है, फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं कि वो जब हमारे पर ऐड होती हैं तो फिर कैसे बनेंगे. So lots of people, you know, I go on YouTube sometimes and I watch people do spectacular things with their body or their mind, and I'm like, I want to be like this, and then I work towards it. So many people. I can't pinpoint one, but as an actor, I find Mel Gibson very hot. Antonio Banderas very hot.
Anybody from Bollywood?
Yeah, Bollywood mein, like honestly can't deny it. I love the way Shah Rukh Khan is. He's one of the nicest. Like because I know him also.
Very
he's
consistent.
genuinely.
Yes.
हाँ यार, मतलब मुझे ना थोड़ा आदमी के ओहदे से ज़्यादा उसकी तमीज़ प्रभावित करती है. And I really like people who give that extra moment to anybody. And he's a boy who's made it on his own. So when I meet him, I see that he's so kind to people, and that's what matters. Then there are other actors who just don't care because they've grown up in it, and आप रोज रोज मिठाई खाओगे तो आपको लुत्फ उठाना खत्म हो जाता है. So Shahrukh Khan hasn't lost the charm. He'll make an effort. I like that one.
You have good looks, great body, talent, and everything else that is needed to be a star. Do you miss having a godfather in this Bollywood industry, Vidyut?
I miss believing when people tell me. I swear on God, Satija knows this about me. Like whenever, like, you know, I was telling somebody, Ritik was complimenting me about a lot of things. Like a lot of things, very kind of him. And before the call, we had a chat and we were like, this is what we have to speak about and all. Seriously, when people compliment me, like it's very funny. You don't really know how to respond, but rather just act cool. So thank you for saying that.
You started off with a negative role, which isn't exactly a perfect launch pad for any newcomer. Any comments?
Who likes perfection? Who likes perfection, girl? Nobody likes perfection. They just feign it that, oh, this is perfect. What is, like, somebody asked me today in an interview, and like I will relate it to the perfection bit. Like, what kind of girls do you like with you? I was like, dude, koi जानवर थोड़ी कि हिरन पसंद है कि घोड़ा पसंद है. Like, the girl has to be nice. I don't care if she's thin, she's fat, she's tall, short. Who cares if she's dark? I need to like the girl. And it's a female journalist who asked me these questions. I'm like, yeah.
So yeah. Know what kind of a girl are you looking for? Like, what attributes should she have? Vidyut ki, you know, perfect frame mein jo fit ho jaye. Vidyut?
Yeah, things have, like, you know, every time you evolve a little bit, and I've not been married. So, you know, every time I look back, I think the person has to be just really nice to people around me, because I'm always surrounded by people. And that niceness is just natural. Either you're nice or you're not. And I see people who are just nice. So I don't know, really, this is the quality, just niceness towards everybody. There are people giving us so much. Yeah. I'm not talking about only me as a person, like as a film actor. I see people who are blessed to have such people. And like, you know, so I think I would respect my partner if she respects everybody as much as I do. I think that's important.
And that is one of the most desirable qualities, I think. I mean, I couldn't have agreed more with you here. From all the roles that you've played till date, which one do you connect with the most?
Ankita, does your teacher say hello, Ankita Gupta? That's quite cool. Really cool. Yeah, honestly, I love doing action movies, but I don't watch action films. I find it very boring. Like I was telling Ritik today, he's like, "Have you watched this one?" I'm like, I really find it boring. I love watching romantic movies, and Khuda Hafiz, I don't see myself as that guy, like. But I really enjoyed playing it because it's the emotion is me, but the physicality is not me. Like, yeah. So.
You had to let go of real Vidyut, right?
नहीं यार रियल मैं सच बताऊं रियल विद्युत को बाहर निकाल लिया वो वाला रियल विद्युत जिसको लड़ना नहीं आता I was telling a friend of mine that I've professionally fought in the ring since a very young age and I've fought with these guys who like really strong but when it comes to standing up for women I've seen them really like just stand behind another man so my idea of strength is very different from what I witnessed हाँ यही थी बात अगर कोई मर्द सुन रहे हैं यार so
does it bother you at times that people watch your movies mainly for your fit body and masaledar action does it bother you Vidyut
अगर यही सवाल आप माइकल जैक्सन से पूछते कि hey Michael you're known for the king of pop as a king of pop does it bother you वो क्या बोलता नहीं मुझे भंगड़ा करना है ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार
so you love the fact that people are watching you for this right
So girl, I'm so proud of this. Very proud of it.
That's nice. So Vidyut also means bijli in Hindi, right? If I'm not wrong.
हाँ मतलब वो लड़की वाला बिजली नहीं मैं लोगों को कूल बनने के लिए बोलता हूँ
lightning in English and watching you perform your stunts the agility and with the speed of lightning did your parents question you Vidyut after you acquired your martial art training or they had some Akashvani thing happening कि आपके घर में एक बिजली के समान बच्चा पैदा होने वाला है it can't just be a coincidence and you're living up to your name Vidyut I have to tell you this
Thank you.
It's something like we should all live up to our names and it's amazing you're chosen as the hottest
how are you living up to your name Mannat explain we all are interested
Mannat that my husband would be able to explain usko pata
अरे यार बीवी यही है बीवियां हैं आओ भाई तुम्हारा टेस्ट हो रहा है तुम बताओ मेरे नाम की अहमियत I love it हाँ सतीजा sorry I have to divert from अनीशा का बताओ भी मतलब नाम का क्या होता है ये देख लो मर्द अब देख लो इन मर्दों का जवाब हाँ भाई दसो
शांति 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 सब बढ़िया है
अनीशा का मतलब शांति नहीं होता फॉर श्योर
देख लो लड़की हो यार मत पूछो लड़कों से तुम ऐसे सवाल यार गर्ल्स यू कांट डू दिस डूड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू
no so it's you are chosen as the hottest vegetarian by PETA in 2014 so that means you were on a total vegetarian diet right so how are you able to maintain your protein levels and your physique
Before I answer this question, Anisha, बात कर लेना शाम को इनसे आप कह रहे शांति 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 ये कंट्रोल किया बंदे को यार to answer that honestly it's not easy to tell you what I really eat because it keeps varying but ये वो बात हो गई कि आप पूछ रहे हैं कि घोड़ा हाथी हिरन ये वेजिटेरियन है ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकते हैं घोड़े की बॉडी सबसे खूबसूरत होती है apparently elephant is like the strongest and the deer is quite swift so it's the same we can eat anything what you like you should eat it will work on you I promise you this is my experience I've been a hardcore meat eater I've been a vegan when people tell you no eat this ye better hai अरे उनको कैसे पता है आपके लिए क्या better है यार so what I think the way you should know what we've grown up eating a certain kind of food right we should experience something else also maybe it works for our body much your body will tell you जिस चीज के मजे आते हैं लोग बोलते हैं अरे मीठा मत खाओ मीठा अरे maybe your body is craving for it salt mat khao so अरे maybe it's craving for it it's not about those six-pack abs or just having a fit body it's about really being happy I find it a rarity and I want to tell you everybody is here I'm sure you made your parents proud of what you've achieved but I don't see happy people around me when I meet people who are really successful when I was growing up like hota tha na bade log hain big families I've seen them no they're not happy if they have the money if they have the fame then why aren't they happy why aren't they unhappy why aren't they happy? Yeah. So थोड़ा अलग है यार फिटनेस हमारे देश में और पूरे इंटरनेशनली ना बिकम टू व्हेन आई केम टू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आई यूज्ड टू रीड मैगजीन्स एंड आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ऐसा है क्या ये ऐसा खाता ऐसा नहीं खाते हैं ये लोग लाइक इफ यू सी प्रोफेशनल बॉडी बिल्डर्स यू नो दैट they do it for that 1 month. This bodies that you see is just for like a little time, and we aspire to be like them. You can't be like them because they're punishing themselves.
Oh, nice.
देखा नहीं है गुस्से होते रहते हैं ऐसे ही मूड खराब हो गया क्या बोलते हो डॉक्टर वानी व्हाट डू यू से
Is Dr. Vani there?
That's okay.
Okay. You've been inspiring a lot of people around you. There was a news article where one of your fans in Rajasthan was so inspired by your role in Commando that he himself for the program, that he applied for the program to become a part of Special Para Commando Regiment. After 10 months with his dedicated training, he managed to be selected as a part of Para Commando Force. How does it feel? What gives you more joy at the end of the day? Your movie doing a great number at the box office or being able to inspire someone in a very positive way, like this gentleman that you did?
Yeah, like honestly, because you're not like related to the film industry, I will give you another part of it. I feel nothing. It doesn't matter. Like I'm not saying it doesn't matter in a negative way. Like when people get inspired, like, you know, okay, I'll talk about social media. There are some people who like A, there are some people who like B. Some people get inspired, some people just don't like what you're saying. So you can't connect yourself or like attach to this, अरे ये मेरे से inspire हुआ, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. शुरू में अच्छा लगता है, but, and similarly, honestly, it's not like just surpassing what you do in life. I see, if you surpass yourself every day in anything, you'll be like, that's the achievement. कोई क्या हो रहा है किसी को, the only person you need to be like improving on or helping is you, and it's the easiest thing. I see people only helping people. Like I was having a chat because I meet a lot of rape victims because I study on self-defense of people who don't know how to really fight, because women can't fight a man if the man is 30 kilos heavier than her until she's a trained fighter. So when I meet these people, and this is for all the girls here, I'm diverting a little bit, but यार सीन क्या है कि सेल्फ डिफेंस की बात करें आप, like whether they're girl kids or girls have an instinct, and if all you girls agree with me, please tell me yes, because girls have an instinct that we men don't at all, and I will tell you why. Because that instinct is, when I hug a girl, she will know exactly the way I have touched her, even if it's gently or strong, right? But if a man touches a woman, just like उनको पता लग जाता है sleazy आदमी है. Am I right, girls?
Absolutely, you're true.
Like, but boys, they don't care because they're like, "Arey, aaja yaar, aaja gale mein, arey brother, I love you more." All the shit, you know what I'm saying? So, but women have this instinct, and whenever I meet these girls, or talk about the rape victims or attempted to be raped upon, they all say the same thing, that, you know, I wanted to not go into that lane, but I was running late and it was quite dingy, and my mind was like, let's avoid it. Instinct. So work on your instinct. Start listening to it. Like everything your mind says might be right. Everything your mind says. So I think instinct is the only thing. It's the cure for every attack. A woman can't fight a man. I don't know if you guys, you should listen to it actually. You know, I met a rape victim in the States, and 5'2" tall. And she went on a trek. And whilst she was on a trek, she saw this huge man, and she thought that maybe I shouldn't go that side. So she diverted from that path and went to the other direction. I'll cut the long story short. The guy chased her. He pinned her down because he was about 6'8" or 6'7". He pinned her down and started tearing her clothes off. So after a while, she gave up. She was like, okay, now whatever has to happen will happen. So the moment that guy put his tongue in her mouth, she bit his tongue and she took his tongue off. You can watch it on Google. I was very fortunate to meet the girl. You know, that strength is the strength you should always know. And the instinct comes before the strength. So every time, every day, and you know why I want to tell you, women, I love talking to you. I do a lot of these things because this is what's more important than with your 6-pack abs or 8-pack. Really, please tell your kids, listen to the instinct. It's not about your mom or your father. Your instinct, once you know what it is saying to you, you will not even get unwell. You'll not get anything. Dr.
I
Vani,
also want to say
हाँ में हाँ
something here,
मिलाओ.
like if learning self-defense becomes a part of curriculum in their school at their primary school level, then there is a better chance of many girls to learn this form. And like they have it in Singapore, compulsory military training, I think our schools can also make it as an important part of the curriculum. So what do you say here, Vidyut? Do you support this idea?
You know, honestly, I don't wait for people to do things for me anymore. It's been about 15 years. I don't wait for the government to do things for me, because then we'll keep waiting. It'll waste our time. I don't want them to, like, yes, they should. Of course, the answer is 100% yes. But somebody has to really do it. And if somebody's not doing it, then our kid's unsafe. Self-defense is not like fighting, yeah, dude. Yes, and why not? We only are, nobody else. Like, how can, like, self-defense is not fighting. Self-defense is not like, hey, I can beat you. No, self-defense is here, girl.
So also I read about you. You should shine so bright they can't ignore you. One of your famous quotes, whenever you're being asked about nepotism, but do you have to shine brighter to be noticed because you are an outsider? I wouldn't call you an outsider exactly, but someone who's come here to rule with his own terms and conditions, Vidyut?
It's very easy. Life is not that difficult. People have made it. I said life is quite easy. People have made it out to be too difficult. I really mean it. Like what Satija does, I can't even fathom to do what he does. And if he starts telling me, "Arey, to bahut mushkil kaam hai, to main zindagi mein nahi kar paunga." So I just feel people like, you know, when I meet people and they ask me about, oh, Vidyut, you must have struggled a lot. I've read about your journey. That's not struggle. If I send my son to an IIT and he studies there for 5 years and he gets the best job in the world, is that like struggle? No, that is educating himself or herself. So I think life is not that difficult. When I said that there has to be a light burning within you, I mean is that we all are like completely lit. Like we all know it. I'm saying let it come out. If you want to color your hair green like a girl, sorry, I can't see your name. Sukriti Sharma ji, toade baare gal kar rahe hain. So, you know, like anything, dude, do it. I really mean it. Like that is what I mean when, like, I love action. People ask me, are you bored of being stereotyped? No, I love it. Why will I be bored? It's like saying, are you bored of your mother? Do you want another mother? No, I don't want another mother. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Make it sound so simple.
Yeah, but I don't. So similarly, if you feel like doing it, please do it, because who's stopping you from achieving it is you. I know it sounds very like, hey, inspirational, but this is the truth. Who's stopping you? I want to lose weight. Oh, my trainer didn't come, my dietitian. All right, shut that shit, dude. You want to lose weight, you lose it. Now you punish yourself however you want to punish yourself. Nobody can be a better guru or teacher than you.
So
anyway, I think I'll go back to my sister. She likes to only listen about Bollywood news. Ask me gossip. Come on. I'll bore you with this. Come on.
So I'm going to go start with the rapid fire round with you because I have so many people waiting to take questions with you personally. So rapid fire means one word answer, Vidyut, and not more than one word. And
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
And you don't have to be politically correct here. If you don't want to answer something, just say pass. Because
मैं हर चीज का जवाब दूंगा. मुझे आप शर्तें मत दो यार. आप पूछो सवाल. बट मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि कई चीजों का जवाब एक अक्षर में नहीं बताया जा सकता है यार.
I think we'd love to hear more from you. So ठीक है, आपके लिए वो एक अक्षर वाला clause खत्म हो गया. So answer आराम से as you feel like, okay? So if you weren't an actor, what would have been your alternate career choice, Vidyut?
Before I tell you the answer, Nandita, the closest person to me in my life is also called Nandita.
And how she related to you?
अरे यार ये जो न्यूज़पेपर के जर्नलिस्ट है ना अपनी मन्नत मेरे चाचा के भतीजे की बेटी है.
So ठीक है.
So if I'm an actor because I do what I do. That is martial arts, and I would still do martial arts. It's my spine. I would not leave it.
Your favorite action hero other than you in Bollywood and other than Shah Rukh Khan? Action hero.
I'm the best.
Other than you.
But I can't have a favorite. I can't have a favorite. अरे हो सकता है नहीं हो यार. सतीजा तेरे को अपनी बीवी के अलावा कोई और लड़की से प्यार है? बताओ जवाब. Same, only one dude.
ये जवाब पब्लिकली थोड़ा ना दिया जा सकता है विद्युत. एक्शन हीरो का पब्लिकली दिया जा सकता है.
मगर मैं सच बोलूंगा, पब्लिक के लिए थोड़ी जवाब दे रहा हूँ मैं. आप सवाल पूछ रही है, सच जवाब दूंगा ना.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
Amanat Kothari, what's up, girl? Your dad is peeping.
I'm not.
They're all muted, and again, Amanat is my daughter. You met Tamanna, now meet Amanat.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये family interview हो रहा है.
I'm glad. Amanat, how old are you?
She can't unmute. She's 14. Everybody has been muted.
How cool is that? Anyway, you're very pretty, girl. God bless you.
An
bolo.
actress you would love to work with.
You know, I've stopped thinking like that. Now I want people to say, I want to work with you. I've passed that phase
Oh,
where
yes.
छोड़ो यार, demand है.
Okay, rank in the order of talent. Katrina, Deepika, Tapsi, Kriti, Senan, and Alia. You want me to come back with the choices again?
Why, you forgot the names?
Katrina,
yeah.
Deepika, Tapsi, Kriti, and Alia.
दो नाम छोड़ दिए आपने इस बार.
Okay, add on.
बताओ. Yeah, there's nobody who surpasses Alia Bhatt, I think, in acting.
Oh, she's brilliant.
I think there's no comparison with her. This is my personal opinion. She's the best in the country. Alia is like the most talented actor. I like Anushka also.
Oh, she's brilliant too.
Yeah.
Rank in the order of fitness now. Hrithik, Tiger, John, Akshay, Ranveer Singh.
I would put John and Tiger in the same category of fitness, and Ranveer Singh and Hrithik Roshan in the same category. Both A class. They're two aces.
You did fairly well here, and you were quite a stellar today. And please accept my sincere appreciations on behalf of Flow Ludhiana for coming here. Can we pass on the question answer round to the audience with you, if you may permit us?
Yes, please. Thank you, Manat.
Thank you so much. Shweta, over to you.
Thank you, Manat Bhabi. Good evening, Vidyut. It has been a fun session. And congratulations on your new movie, Khuda Hafiz. It was really a treat to watch on screen and great acting. Loved the movie as well.
Thank you.
And our curious audience is now messaging me personally, when are we going to ask questions from Vidyut? So let's just take one by one. And let me call upon Divya Dhanda. Divya, over to you. Please put forth your question.
Please unmute your...
Yeah, now. Thank you, Shweta. Hi, Vidyut. It's really interesting to hear your wonderful journey over here today. I have something common with you. My dad was also in the army, a paratrooper, a commando, and actually part of the elite special frontier forces. I've been an army brat, and so have you, I think, for quite a few years. So tell me, when we're in the army, you know, we, as the audience, we see boxing matches, we actually go to the firing range, we get the chance to, you know, practice firing with machine guns, with SLRs. Did that inspire your journey for martial arts in some manner?
One second. Sorry. I need to just say that Sheetal Jindal looking quite nice, and Anamika quite cool. That tie is very cool, I must say. Sorry, I can just see a few people. So, yeah, Divya. First things first. If you're an army kid, salute to you, girl. I know how an army kid is. I know how they've been raised. We have great discipline. And did you agree with when I said that our discipline is not about waking up at 6? It's about really respecting other people. Do you agree with it?
Yeah, so actually, to tell you very honestly, I actually wanted to ask you about discipline coming from the fact that you had an army background, but my friend Dr. Vani beat me to it. She asked you the question before that. So that's why I thought, okay, let's talk about, because I think we're really fortunate that we're part of the army and the Indian Army at that point. My dad, yes, I think that discipline is not about waking up in the morning for a march past, but it's actually the values that this entire experience instills in you, that you got a task in front of you and you got to do it, right? I think I'm like that. If I am given a task, if I am put out a particular job to be done, I will go all out and do it to the best of my ability. Very rarely do we find it's beyond our own abilities. What do you think?
यार पहले तो मैं एक आपको बात बता देना चाहता हूँ. मैं अपने ही परिवार से बात कर रहा हूँ. मुझे पता लगा सारे रिश्तेदार हैं यहाँ पे. मन्नत भाभी, थैंक यू. ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? शादी तो नहीं हो रही है कहीं? मुझे लाइव चैट करवा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे फेरे लग रहे हैं.
लड़की ढूंढ रहे हैं आपके लिए विद्युत इधर. Eyes on you.
यार Divya, you know, adding to what's more important is, I want to just tell you a little bit that Divya would concur with it, that, you know, whenever I pull a chair for a girl, and I do it all the time, it's impossible. वो ये नहीं है कि तुम chivalrous हो, अरे तुम कितने cool हो, वो सब छोड़ दो. I just like to do it. If I see a woman standing, it's impossible I will not give her a chair, not because she's weak. I feel stupid if she's standing. So I'll just put it to rest, this thing. I love opening doors for women. Really, I just love it. If a woman is pushing a door, ऐसा नहीं है वो धक्का नहीं मार सकती है, but मुझे मार के अच्छा लगता है. So what I wanted to add was this, that, you know, women, all the women here, please, like, the girls have to be taught to say thank you and not say, "Arey, show chivalrous. Oh, such a chivalry." You know, sorry, I've heard these terms. They sound exactly like that to a man's ears when you're not happy with it. So I really, please pray to you that please tell your girls to be thankful to a man. It feels really good. Like, I was traveling to the UK recently, and my niece is 16 and my nephew was 13. I told him that जब भी दीदी गाड़ी से उतरती हैं, तुम पहले दरवाजा खोलो. If you open the door before her, then you've got 1 point. And that means you have to be fast. He spoiled the whole trip. हर बार वो दरवाजा खोलने बंद करता रहता था. But I'm just saying that women need to be thankful and men should do this. So what you said, Divya, yes, yeah, there's a different discipline. When I see army kids, like, sorry, we are doing this army bit too much, but army में कुछ नहीं है यार. जैसे हम लोग अपने बच्चों को सिखाते हैं, वो आर्मी हो गया. Discipline is like just telling them the right things. So when I meet army kids, there are a lot of army girls, from Neha Dupia, Priyanka Chopra, Lara Datta, Sushmita Sen. The list goes on. I feel very nice. I see these small courtesy, very small things they do, which is quite nice. People should do it. Some men like it.
Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you, Divya.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Our chat box is full of messages like "my kind of man." So quickly, let me call Neha Gupta, our junior vice chairperson, to ask a question from you.
Thanks, Shweta. Hi, Vidyut.
Hi, Neha.
So it's been an utmost pleasure to hear you today. So humble, so down to earth. So I'm a big fan now from today. Who says
you look at a lot of time to be a fan, dude. What have you been doing? Where have you been busy? No, I'm just kidding.
Who says stardom changes it all? From traveling in the matadors of Jammu to be nailed as the action god of Bollywood. Vidyut, my question to you is that you are amongst the very few talents of our country who's doing an amazing job motivating others to come and join the industry. Any specific reason why there is less participation in the entertainment industry from Jammu and Kashmir?
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Punjab.
पंजाब से भी बहुत कम है, बात है, बहुत कम आते हैं अब. पहले आते थे धर्मपाली type. It's nothing to do with Punjab, Jammu, Rajasthan, nothing. No.
Okay.
It means participation means that the encouragement is less, the fear is more.
Yeah.
That's it. If somebody doesn't participate, that means that there is fear or disbelief of achieving something. I know people, the best looking people are in Jammu and Kashmir. Quite gorgeous people, but why don't they come? And to be an actor, you just don't need to really be good looking. You have to have a lot of other qualities. Maybe these people aren't working on them. But yes, I do insist that people should really come and like try their luck out. If you have any talent, you could be the best cook also. This city does give you a lot. And for youngsters, there's so much. It's not just becoming an engineer now. It's not just becoming a doctor. That's why I tell people, come. If you have any talent, anything, it could be anything. And if it shines so bright within you, people will notice it. It might take a while, but ignore you can't.
Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you, Neha. Dr. Vani has a question in the chat box that Vidyut, how would you feel being married to a strong career woman?
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो करियर ये वाली सवाल क्यों नहीं पूछा कि how would you feel married to a housewife? It's the same thing. How would I feel? I would feel quite happy she is doing what she's doing. Like there's no yin yang here. Like how will it feel? No, it's like saying how would you feel being married to a 7'2" tall woman? Then I would feel really weird. But this is like there's nothing to feel here.
Thank you, Vidyut. Now let me call upon a youngest fan amongst us today, Tamanna Kothari. Over to you.
Hi.
Hi, Tamanna.
I just, my mom just told me yesterday that your dog's name is Salvador Dali. Is that true?
That's true.
Yeah, so as teenagers, like he's the protagonist of Money Heist, and as teenagers, it's our favorite show, one of our favorite shows. So, and as you can see on your Instagram handle that you share a very sweet relationship with your dog. I just wanted to ask you that who's your favorite Money Heist character and why?
So, you know, everybody's told me about Money Heist and Salvador Dali. And I'll come to the best part of it. But do you know who Salvador Dali really is? Mama Boli. Prompter. So my love, Salvador Dali is a very known artist from the States. And he's quite revolutionary because he did a lot of crazy things apart from making great paintings. Great paintings. You should study about him. He's quite a revelation of our times. And I believe that everybody should try and imbibe some kind of art. Parents over here, they could listen to jazz, anything. Please expose them to everything. I know you guys do already because I see Satija and I listen to what they're doing. मेरे बेटे को हीरो बनना है, कैसे भेजूं उसको? सतीजा, कैसे भेजूं उसको? पहले तैयार करो लड़के को. कैसे भेजूं? नेपोटिज्म इतना बाहर में चल रहा है और तुम नेपोटिज्म लगा रहे हो यार. I'm sorry, I got stuck.
Thank you. Can you hear us, Vidyut?
Yes, I can now.
Yes. Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you, Tamanna. Let me call upon Anamika now to ask a question. Anamika, over to you.
Hi, Vidyut. It's so much pleasure to have you over. My question to you is, you don't look like a guy, kind of guy who would go beyond action and prefer running around trees. Are you ready to be typecast as an hero, as an action hero? I mean,
यार सीन क्या है कि अभी तो थोड़ा नशा लग गया पेड़ों के पीछे भागने का. So वो नशा नहीं है. So, but I'm really happy. You know, normally I get songs like Knock Knock तेरा बाप आया. आज मैं वो ऋतिक को बोल रहा था. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि थोड़े सुरीले गाने आए हैं यार. So yeah, I'm proud of the way I've been. I'm known as the action hero. I feel very proud. Yeah, I tell people and like because you guys are like I know you guys will relate to it. Like if your son or daughter gets about 50% also don't care about it. Seriously, pass होना बहुत जरूरी है. बच्चों को बोलना मत ये बात, नहीं तो वो लोग और कम पढ़ाई करते हैं. But I really believe parenting is about like they can earn like 60%. Doesn't matter. That's like when people ask me, oh, with you 200 crores, 300 crores, your movie's done. It should just do very well. It should do well. We should that's what we should do.
Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you, Namika.
Thank you.
There is Vani. Is that how you say it? Vani Sarda Thapar.
Yes, Dr. Vani.
Doctor, good to see you.
Now let me request Anisha Bhabi to please ask a question from a friend Vidyut.
Hi, Vidyut. Great
Hi,
listening
Anisha.
to you. So I have a question for you. That is, how do you stay so focused and so grounded despite your stardom?
I'm not focused at all. Like
Oh,
when
no,
people say, no, really,
no,
you know, saying
focused as in sense with your dedication to martial arts and everything.
कुछ नहीं है यार, किसी चीज से प्यार हो जाए ना तो फिर वो लगता ही नहीं है focus. It wakes you up. I don't like put an alarm कि आज मुझे 4 बजे उठना है. किसी भी चीज से प्यार हो जाए ना फिर focus की जरूरत नहीं होती है. You don't need focus. Like something should call you. Yeah, that's it. Like when people ask me, I go to schools to talk about, to inspire the youngsters. Focus is overhyped. I really mean it. Like, I'm sorry if there are kids here. Like, focus is different. Focus होता है कि मतलब दूध पी रहे हो पूरा ग्लास खत्म करना. वो focus होता है. No, really. Like, मैं 50 करोड़ कमाऊंगा इस 6 महीने में, वो focus नहीं है. You know what I'm saying? So my focus is that. So I think just the love for it makes me very focused in life. Yeah, like I feel like doing it. I feel like trying new things out. Yeah, and grounded. The nation has given me much more than I asked for. I'm an army officer's son. I had no idea that life could be like this. No idea. Like, you know, if you watched my show called X-Rayed on YouTube, I did this show because when I meet people and they say, "Sir, your fans are asking you this." Like आप क्या खाते हैं या क्या नहीं खाते हैं? Or a message. So क्या खाते हैं से कुछ नहीं होता है यार. I asked the guys, like I have Tony Jaa, I've got actors who are known for fitness all over the world on my show. I ask them questions that I want to be asked. You know what I'm saying? It's like what you eat, what time you wake up. It's all ridiculous. So that's what I'm saying. Focus is ये नहीं है कि यार अरे देखो ऋतिक रोशन कितना अच्छा डांस करता है, वो 6 घंटे डांस सीखता है, वो फोकस नहीं है यार. तुम वही चीज 15 मिनट में भी सीख सकते हो. So and grounded रहने का कुछ नहीं है यार. The fans have given you so much. I cannot even deny somebody a picture. When Satija told me that he wants me to be here, and he told me that listen, guys, they're all my very close friends. I was like, dude, then don't even ask me. But he was kind. He saw that वो ऋतिक ने 4 बजे का कॉल टाइम दिया, तो उसने मुझे बोला कि 6 बजे कर ले क्या? मैंने कहा
Yeah, I know that. We saw that.
So कुछ नहीं, grounded रहने के लिए क्या करना है? We are meant to be grounded. What is this गलतफहमी हो गई है यार? कुछ नहीं है. Kindness is the only thing we need to display. Once you display kindness, they could be the nastiest people. Try it. ये भाभियां जो होती हैं या सासें होती हैं, वो वाली niceness नहीं होती. वो एक अलग माहौल है. I'm just saying generally. I'm not saying they're bad people. I'm just saying serials में जैसा बताते हैं वैसा नहीं है.
Thank you.
Yes, child.
Thank you, Nisha Bhabi. Let me now call upon another guest, another fan of yours with you, Shilpa Mittal. Shilpa, please ask your question. Over to you.
Hi, Shilpa.
Question. I just want to say this interview has been very unfair to all of us. You should actually come down to Ludhiana and have another session with us once everything opens up. We would love to hear you live there physically.
ये आप लोगों के जो jealous पति हैं, उन लोगों का क्या करूँगा मैं?
और jealous कर देंगे. That is for us to take care of. Vidya, don't worry about this.
I'm joking, guys. I'm just joking, by the way. I'm joking. तमन्ना के डैडी गुस्सा हो गए. यार मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ.
Yeah. So you've just been featured in the world's most top 10 individuals or men to be actually to not mess with. And you are rated with the Russian president and people of those kinds. So what is your take on that? You're so kind. Does it really keep you humble still when you're in the world top 10?
नहीं, गलतफहमी तो होती है. अरे पार्टनर, बहुत मैं गलतफहमी में जीता हूँ. कई बार मैं अकेला होता हूँ, मैं अपने आप से बोलता हूँ, अरे तुम्हें लगता है तुम हो जिसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं, लोगों को डर लग, कुछ नहीं है. The person doesn't feel it. But you know, I've been saying it to a lot of people that when I speak to my mom, she's like amazing. I love like mothers. मेरी माँ कहती है, मैं सतीजा तेरे को बताया था. My mom, I sent her the link and I said, Mom, your son is like 10 people you should not mess with. So she said, वो सब तो ठीक है, सबसे कमजोर तू है इनमें. तू देख सबकी बॉडीज देख. I was like, ये माओ का क्या होगा यार? कह रही तू सबसे कमजोर है लिस्ट में. So, but I feel very proud. I can't deny it. I feel proud of it.
Great, great.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, Shilpa.
Thank you.
Now let me call upon Aishni, somebody who's done all the research behind for the event for you, Vidya. Let me call upon Aishni.
And Vidyut, I have to tell you here, जितना Aishni आपको जानती है, उतना Google भी नहीं जानता आपको. So Aishni, so she's done the entire research for us, for you.
Okay, then we'll test her research.
Hi, I'm a very boss. I have a question that X-Rayed with Vidhu Jamwal is a series that I've been following. So what is the idea? How did you conceive the idea of starting this series? Because it's very helpful to know about the stars that I had no clue about.
Yeah, scene kya hai? You know, when I came to Bombay and I started getting to know these real stars, like people who really made a name for themselves. And I had an image of them because I had read interviews, I'd like watched the interviews, and I realized that these guys are so much different. To be at that stature in life, you can't be just like regular. Like regular means कुछ तो अलग होगा इन लोगों में यार. चाहे लोग किस्मत को ही बोलें, कुछ तो अलग होता है. And I realized that every interview that I watched of a star that I met later and became friends with, they were like not those people. So I decided, why not ask people who I really appreciate? Like I said, like I wanted to ask them questions that what people should ask me so that they know what the truth is. Like, because you've watched the show, there's an actor called Tony Jaa. People who don't know of him, he's like the biggest action star in the world. He's a Thai guy. And people say, talk about his fitness and how fit he is and la la la. But his fitness, when you watch the interview, you realize that it's somewhere deep in. I was telling my mom that there's a part happiness somewhere in the corner. Like every time you're happy, you should just tap that part and say, listen, hey, congratulations, be happy. Then there's a part in our system which is like, which keeps all our secrets, which you don't want to tell yourself also. You should just know all these parts. So, तो यार मैंने जब इन लोगों से बात की मैंने रियलाइज किया कि ये लोग अलग हैं तो इनसे अलग बातें पूछी जाएं और आप जब देखेंगे इंटरव्यू you'll realize that everybody's got a different idea of success and how they reached it.
Yes.
Thank you, Vidyut. Thank you, Ashni. Let me call upon now another biggest fan of yours, Vidyut, who's probably watched all of your movies. Shweta Gupta, please come forward and ask your question.
Hi, Shweta.
Unmute yourself.
It'll take a while to know technology. It took me years. I still don't know it. You saw Ritik today on the live. So don't worry. Shweta, take your time. It'll be all fine.
It's very chivalrous, Shweta. Shweta, now I think you can unmute yourself. Just check.
And जिसकी हालत हो रही होती है ना जिससे हो नहीं रहा होता उसको बहुत घबराहट होती है क्या
मुझे बहुत हो रही थी.
I can hear you now. Hi.
So I've prepared this long question for you, but I think you're so cool. I can ask you anything. So I'm just going to change that a bit. My kids are a big fan of yours. I don't know how many times have I seen Commando with them. And with you, they say you're the strongest guy in Bollywood. Mama, this hero is the strongest and we want to be like him. So Vidyut, I became a bigger fan of yours after seeing Khuda Hafiz. I've seen the movie twice, once with my husband and once without him. Because when I was watching with him, I said, look at him, look at the story, look at the love story. He's like, ऐसा कोई नहीं होता है, chill, you know, कुछ और देखते हैं. So Vidyut, there's a scene in the movie that really touched my heart, where you think that you found Shivalika and you're very nervous to see her. At that moment, you're breathless, you're nervous, your hands are shivering. You're still confused if it's going to be the same girl when you finally go to rescue her. So Vidyut, in real life, I've heard so much about you right now. I want to know from you, is it easy to become an action hero or is it easy to do this whole emotional love stories? Like which part of you connects to your character more?
Before that, this is for your daughter. This is for your daughter. Like when she says like I'm the strongest guy and all that, यार मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. And you know what separates me from all the strong men is I keep my fear with me all the time. Like sometimes when I feel like ये होगा कि नहीं होगा, and वो बहुत बार होता है यार. Like anything I do, like every time I do an act, I can relate everything to action, but this is in aspect to everything in life. This is for your daughter. So, you know, whenever I feel scared of something, I don't let it go. Like, I'll talk about this one jump I did in the movie. And when I was at the cliff, you know, the thing is, people expect me to, अरे विद्युत आएगा और ये jump मार दिया. वो उनको लगता है. मुझे भी करना पड़ती है वो वाली acting की, hey, I'm gonna just jump out of it. But when I go there and I stand there, I'm so scared because the whole future looks so like hazy in front of me. But there's something inside me that says, I want to do it, I want to do it, I want to do it. So every time I take that jump, keeping fear aside. And when I look back, I promise you, there's nothing that makes me more proud of me than this. beating my fear. And every time I'm at the next part of it, I love it. I love it. It comes to me again, and it's always next to me, and it keeps me safe, and it keeps me